converting hours and minutes to just hours. You have to convert hours and minutes to just hours to complete Speed Made Good practice problems. Let's look at a few examples. And I'd like to say right off the bat, let's keep this simple. To convert minutes to hours, you divide by 60. Remember that. To go from minutes to hours, you divide by 60. One more time, because it's really this simple. To go from minutes to hours, divide by 60. So let's look at this example. 1 hour and 20 minutes is how many hours? This 1 hour is good. So this is just 1 point, how many hours? 20 minutes divided by 60 equals 0.3 hours. So 1 hour, 20 minutes equals 1.3 hours. Good. Let's take a look. This is where you will be doing these problems. I gave you some room here to do the problems. Let's look at the solutions to these problems. So again, to go from minutes to hours, divide by 60. Now, 1 hour and 20 minutes. This 1 hour is good. 1 hour. 20 minutes divided by 60 equals. Let's take a look at that. Clear. 20 minutes divided by 60 equals 0.33 hours. 0.33 hours. So 0.33 hours. Okay, 0 hours. 0 hours. 45 minutes. And you know 45 minutes is 0.7 hours. Remember that. 15 minutes is 0.25 hours. 30 minutes is 0.5 hours. 45 minutes, 0.75 hours, right? Just like a clock. So we have 45 minutes divided by 60 equals, clear, 45 divided by 60 equals 0.75 hours. 0.75 hours. 0.75. And now 2 hours and 56 minutes equals how many hours? We have 2 hours. Now 56 minutes divided by 60 equals how many hours? Clear. 56 divided by 60 equals 0.93 hours. 0.93 hours. 2.93. And we are down here 1.8 minutes. Or 1 hour, 8 minutes. You always got to keep your units. What I just did was I messed up the units. You have to always keep your units straight. That's the key to these. So 1 hour. Good, we have that. 1 point, how many hours? 8 minutes is how many hours? 8 divided by 60 equals, clear, 8 divided by 60 equals 0.13. 0.13. So 1.13 hours. 1 hour and 30 minutes. This one you could do in your head. This is 1.5 hours, right? 1. Now 30 minutes divided by 60 equals, let's just do it on a calculator. 30 divided by 60 equals 0.5 hours. 0.5 hours. The last one, 3 hours, 41 minutes equals how many hours? So this 3 is already in hours. 41 minutes going to be somewhere a little less than 0.75, right? 41 minutes divided by 60 equals, clear, 41 divided by 60 equals 0.68. 0.68 hours. So 3.68. And now again, why does dividing by 60 convert minutes to hours? Let's take a look at this box here. So why does dividing by 60 turn minutes to hours? Now we have 30 minutes, we put it over 1, it's just like saying 30 minutes, times 1 hour over 60 minutes, right? For every 1 hour there's 60 minutes. Now these minutes cancel off and you're left with hours. So 30 minutes, and I know it says times here, but the 60's on the bottom, so we divide. So 30 minutes times 1 hour. For every 60 minutes, the minutes cancel off, you're left with hours, equals 0.5 hours. Don't be confused. It's this easy. To go from minutes to hours, you divide by 60.